just like 26.5 million other Americans, I live in a food desert. How would you feel if you had no access to healthy food? Food is the problem, and food is the solution. And we started planting my food forests, fruit trees, the whole nine. For vegetables, what we do, we're a pay-it-forward kind of group. Grow your own food. Growing your own food is like printing your own money.
Food should be accessible to everybody. It is something that has definitely spoken to me. I believe everybody should have access to healthcare, to school, to education, to food, and to shelter. And getting back to real food and how it's grown and where it comes from is something we're so far removed from. And I think that sometimes, even in lower socioeconomic towns or communities, it's even further from the process.